Ahoy, fellow cruisers, it's Janet with Dream Team Vacations. With our departure just 3 days away, it's time to ensure we're all set for a smooth sailing. An important reminder that yes, you need to bring your passport. From van transportation updates to packing essentials, we've got a few more tips for you to ensure your cruise experience starts off without a hitch. First up, let's talk van transportation. We're finalizing the details and we'll have pickup times ready for you soon. Stay tuned. You will be the first to know. Now let's tackle a hot topic, hair care essentials. We know cruise line policies can be tricky, so here's the lowdown. Hair dryers, no need to pack one. They're conveniently located in your cabin's top desk drawer. Another interesting note, curling irons are allowed, but flat irons and steam irons are a no-go. While you could try bringing them on board, it's best to leave them at home to avoid confiscation, as they are considered a fire hazard. For CPAP users worried about distilled water being confiscated, we've got a solution. Simply fill out a special needs form and tape it to your sealed distilled water bottle. That should do the trick. Send me an email and I will get you a special needs form right away. And let's not forget about your luggage. You are allowed 2 suitcases per person, not exceeding 35.4 by 29.5 by 16.9 inches in size and no more than 50 pounds. This is my luggage. It's 27 by 20 by 12, so yours can be even a bit larger. Great tips to take a picture of your luggage too. Lastly, a friendly reminder to pack your patience. Unexpected things may happen, but with the right attitude, we can turn even the sourest of lemons into the sweetest lemonade. So there you have it, cruisers. Hopefully these tips will help you. If you have any more questions, simply send me an email. See you soon. And a reminder, remember to bring your passport.